Hey there, what's going on everyone? Hope you guys are doing excellent today. In this video, we're going to be talking about the new Apple AirPods 2, which is expected to be released this year, 2019. Alright, so there's rumors going around that Apple hasn't released the new Apple AirPods 2 yet because they've been waiting to release the Apple AirPower, which is a wireless charging pad mat that Apple is looking to release, and they haven't released it yet. And the reason Apple hasn't released the Apple AirPods 2 is because they're going to offer wireless charging. So they pretty much want to release the AirPower wireless charging mat first, so that once they release the AirPods 2, the AirPower mat will already be out in stores, so it will make it a lot more attracting to customers to buy the wireless charging AirPods 2. So the good news is that there was a tweet going around just recently that the current manufacturer of Apple AirPods and other accessories did claim that the production for these Apple AirPower wireless charging pads has begun. So we're very near now. Since the production for these AirPower mats have begun, we can expect the AirPods 2 to be launched and released pretty soon as well. Alright, so you may ask yourself, what upgrades are the AirPods 2 gonna come with? Aside from just the wireless charging, I'm pretty sure, we want other upgrades as well. So let's dig in. So first thing, and very important, is it's gonna have a improved processor. So it's gonna have a better processor, enabling hands-free Siri. So you no longer have to tap it twice to activate Siri. From now on, you're gonna be able to just say, "Hey Siri," and Siri will be at your disposition. Another cool thing it's gonna have is it's gonna have a upgraded Bluetooth chip. So currently they have the W1 Bluetooth chip. The new Apple AirPods are gonna have the W2 Bluetooth chip. And what this means is you'll be able to get away from your iPhone with your AirPods at an even farther distance, and the connectivity will be much stronger, so the sound will be much clearer at farther distances. Another awesome thing is that it's going to be rain and water splash resistant, so it's not going to be completely waterproof or IP67 rated like most of the new iPhones, but it is going to be better than the current AirPods, so you no longer have to need to worry about getting some drops of water in it, or maybe getting some rain on it when it's raining out. So another cool thing there. Another big thing that Apple is focusing on is health and fitness on all of their devices pretty much, and the AirPods 2 will be no different. The Apple AirPods 2 are going to have sensors in the ears which will be able to sense your stroke volume levels. So what that means is it's going to be able to detect your cardiac output much better. When you tie it together now with your Apple Watch, with the heart rate sensor that the Apple Watch has, plus the sensor that it's going to have here on your ear for pressure, it's going to be able to detect your cardiac output a lot better. So we'll be excited to see what new health and fitness apps come out for both the Apple Watch and the AirPods when you're using them together. Another cool thing that it's going to have is it's going to have better ambient sound, and it's also going to have a better microphone. So what that means is it's going to be able to control the exterior surrounding sounds to mute it out even better, so that what you're listening to sounds clearer and better. And better microphones, so that when you're talking to people over the phone, they'll be able to hear you even clearer when you're speaking with your AirPod. So the price for the AirPods, it's expected to be around the current price, which is $159, but I wouldn't be surprised if the price does go up, since it's going to have a newer processor, newer Bluetooth W2 chip, which are going to cost more money most likely for Apple to manufacture. So don't be surprised if the price does go up a bit. And last but not least, the release date. This is not 100% sure. It hasn't been announced yet, but there are 3 events during each year where Apple discusses the new launching of devices. They have one in June, which is the WWDC, and they have the iPhone launch in September, and then they have the iPad launch in October. So personally, I don't think that they're going to wait that long to release the AirPods 2. I'm thinking that they're probably going to release it in June with the WWDC event that they have. So that's just my educated guess. We'll see what happens. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys use AirPods, if you love AirPods, if you're thinking about upgrading and getting the new Apple AirPods 2 when they come out. And that's it for this video, everyone. I hope you liked it. Go ahead and please give it a like. It really helps me out. And that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao.